Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it. So we're about to find out what's inside. You guys go take a look. Click the link down below. Check out what other goodies. Ooh. Alright, this is coming from my good friends over at VIVIBRIGHT. You can see what other goodies they have to offer. Especially this one, if you guys are interested. These will be selling out fast. Since we're almost time for Santa Claus to be coming. Definitely a hot item right now to get. And there we go. We got this thing going. Oh boy. Come on. I don't know what happened to my scissors, but these will do. Whoa. Check this one out. I'm definitely going to set it up and everything on this. Alright. Oh. Timber. Almost fell. We got some kind of... Yeah. Come on out. Dang. There we go. Yeah, we finally got it. Alrighty. Kids Toy Projector, L1 series. Here we go. It's gonna be a nice one to show off. There we go. Mobile, powerful. Makes children's wonderful. Alright. Nice design. Let's take a look. See what goodies are inside this box. There we go. This is what it looks like. Comes with the battery. Right in here. Right there. Nice little remote control, easy to use. Alright. Happy. We are happy days. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. Come on out. What's inside? I heard something. There we go. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. The link will be down below. Get one at a low cost. Hollow, you just gotta find out. One little click, you can get one of these. I'm gonna have to set up my Wi-Fi. I had a major power something with my internet service. Wow, I had a total blackout, and I had to reset everything. So I'm gonna have to pause you guys and set that up really quick. Whoa, this is pretty cool. Nice yellow and black and yellow. We got the ports back here. HDMI, USB. Is that a micro SD? Yeah, SD reader. Power goes there. Headphones. Audio jack. Here's what the bottom looks like. Alright. Front, the speakers probably here. Or probably here. Band. Oh, there's a adjuster right down here. It's definitely be a cool one to watch, like Disney Plus on it, and you know, a lot of kids' cartoons, video games probably. Probably test out my PS4 onto it, see how it looks. But really nice color. It's lightweight, not too heavy. There we go. Side. Power button right here. Bottle. We just gotta take this little guy out. He needs to breathe. I gotta get batteries too. So make sure you have batteries. Come on out. There we go. There we go. Hey, little plug and play. Ready to rock. You just gotta use your HDMI or USB, whatever you have, and start watching videos, gaming. I don't think your PC, maybe like a tablet, laptop. See? Easy peasy. Kind of like that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Now here's the remote. I think it's AAA. Not the insurance place, but AAA batteries. Voila. Empty. Yep, AAA, 2 of them, so make sure you guys are stacked up. Definitely get those Amazon Basics. They are really good, especially at their cost, so I'll leave the link down below for Amazon Basics 2 batteries. But pretty easy to use remote, and like I said, I'll be right back and we'll have this all set up. Okie dokie. Alrighty, YouTube, here we go again. We got it set up. The kids' toy projector, kinda, I would say. Very nice picture, but I got it set up more where I'm going to have it positioned and stuff like that. So we're still daylight, a little bit of sunlight coming in. Zoom in a little bit. Show you guys gameplay. Hopefully there's no swearing. But it's bright on the ceiling. See on that, you can have it watching movies in bed and stuff like that, or on the screen. I just gotta position it. And there's I think tripods available you could buy. Here we go. Here's a little gameplay. The volume. Just gotta see. Alright, there we go. Get this loaded up a little bit. I can walk a little bit closer to you guys. Hopefully it's loading. Good picture though. Great for kids movies, like I said, kids cartoons, retro gaming. So if you want to have a backup one, this would be a really good one to get. I just gotta adjust it more. That's why it looks kind of crooked. But it's gotta find a better spot. Why aren't this rolling? It's not even that bright. So, and it's quiet too. Quiet fan. Alright, I'm gonna try something else here. There it is, PlayStation. See? Why won't it? Alright, we're gonna close that one out. And here's a little cartoon. Well, like I said, I just gotta adjust it more, but really nice picture. Here we go. Sounds good. Here we go. Back up. This is nice. Zoom in a little bit more. So that's what it looks like with the light. Really cool. So if you want to get a good deal on a extra gaming projector, movie projector for your kids, this would be a good one to get. Coming from VIVIBRIGHT. All you gotta do, click the link down below, check them out. YouTube, have a good night, be safe. See ya.